How to download Twitter videos to gallery. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download Twitter videos to your gallery on both Android or iPhone device. Now, first what you want to do is simply open up the Twitter and head on to the video that you want to download to your gallery. Now I don't have any video, but I'll just search it from the search bar for messy video or any video that I want. And then what you want to do is open up the particular video, and once you open it, what you want to do is you'll get this share option along with the video or the post. Simply tap on share, and what you want to do is copy the link of the video. Now you can see the link has been copied to my clipboard. Once you copy your link, what you want to do is head into any browser. If you are on iPhone, you can head into Safari. If you are on Android, you can head to Chrome or any other browser and search for Twitter video downloader. And what you want to do is head into this link, SSS Twitter. I'll recommend you this one. Head into this link, and here it'll ask you to insert link. You can see Twitter video downloader. Simply tap on paste and tap on download, and your video will be prepared. And you can select the resolution and simply tap on any resolution that you want your video to be downloaded, and it'll be downloaded. And if you open it, you can see it'll be headed to your gallery. Now if I head into my gallery, you can see the video has been downloaded here. So this way you can download Twitter videos to gallery. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.